So we could definitely agree that last year was a challenging year for a lot of us. And for some, it definitely is something that caused their motivation to go down. I know this because I myself lost my motivation last year. Like, I just don't want to do anything. It seems like, what's the point? Because every single, like, one of us is just at home. So, but we're not gonna let those negative vibes like follow us in this new year, and we're just gonna make this year our year. And that's why I'm here today to share with you guys my ways of motivating myself that could also possibly help you guys. The first thing on the list is write your goals, your resolutions, your intentions for the year. I am definitely someone who is guilty for not writing their New Year's goal, their resolutions, but I'm changing it this year because I want to focus more on keeping myself in track. It doesn't have to be those goals or resolution that you know you can't do. Like, the best thing is try to be specific on your goals, but don't be too hard on yourself. Like, for example, I'm gonna run like for an hour today, or like I'm gonna lose so much weight, like I'm gonna be skinny by the end of 2021. And for me, that is definitely a hard thing to do. So I'll just stick on a little bit easy and just go along the way. I'll start like, okay, I'll try to work out. And when I get the hang of working out, then I could just set a new goal. I'm gonna do this next because I get used to this and I know that I would be able to step it up and do a lot more. Rather than setting your goals straight to where you want to be, that is just gonna make you feel like there's so much work for you to do. Next thing is wake up and sleep at the right time. I don't know how to say this in a simpler way, but go to bed early and like wake up at a reasonable time in the morning. This is also something that I'm guilty about. Like, I have a hard time sleeping early at night, and I also have a hard time waking up early. I guess because I sleep late, right? But let's change it this year. Let's try to make things better for ourselves. For me, the perfect time to sleep at night is around 10:30 to 11, and then like waking up would be 6:30, 7:30. And what this does is it creates a routine for your body. Eventually your body is gonna get used to it. It's just gonna create a lot more like flow on your routine, and it's gonna make you feel better eventually. A good way to make your body adjust is adjust it like every 30 minutes. So if I go to bed like at 3:30, I would like go to bed like at 3, and then when I got used to going to bed at 3, I would slowly move it to 2:30, and then so on and so forth. And if you're someone who is struggling of like sleeping at night, try to avoid caffeinated drinks like coffee, soda. Also, don't eat like midnight snack. That's just gonna add up to all of the reasons why you can't sleep. Another tip is don't hit that snooze button. That is not good for you. So the next thing is write a to-do list. Write a to-do list for like the next day. This is just gonna help you to keep yourself on track for the following day. It just feels good to check those to-do lists once you finish them. Another key thing to motivating yourself is make your bed in the morning. Is what I do. I put it on the very top of my to-do list. It makes me feel that my day is gonna go well because I finished that first task already. So next is do a morning routine. And this includes, you know, doing your skincare in the morning, brushing your teeth, or if you're someone who likes to shower in the morning when they woke up, then do that. So this next that I'm gonna say is the most important thing: drink water. Never forget to drink water. You need it. You can't be dehydrated. This is what I do after I do my skincare routine in the morning. Like, I head to the kitchen, grab like my tumbler, put some ice on it, put some water. And I like doing this in the morning because if I don't then I would probably forget doing it the rest of the day, because like drinking water and being hydrated keeps your body going and also keeps your brain going. Like it makes you more focused, which in turn makes you more motivated. So after I do all those things, you know, making the bed, morning routine, drinking water, so I go straight to my iPad, because this is where I write my to-do list, my resolutions. Basically, when I go to my iPad, I check like my to-do list and I check all those things that I've already done. For example, today I have like a lot of things to do. First, I have to drive my mom to work. Second is I have to edit and post a video. Next is I have to cook like dinner. So that's pretty much what's on my to-do list. A good way of keeping yourselves on track on doing that is timing yourself. Like I put like maybe like a 20-minute timer. Makes me want to finish the task before the timer goes off. So last on the list is don't forget to eat. Eating healthy is important on keeping those energy intact, and being energized is gonna make you more motivated, which is gonna help you in the long run. And that is what we want to do this 2021. So the things that I said are the things that I want to practice this 2021. Let's help each other this 2021. Let's make ourselves accountable for the things or the goals that we try to set, and let's make a better versions of ourselves. So if you have enjoyed this type of video where I give advice on how to motivate yourself, and if you do want to hear a lot more advice in regards to other topics, do comment it down below or message me on my social media platforms, and I will try to make a video on it, try to help you guys, try to give you advice. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!